Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into an AI platform designed specifically for educators. It's called Teachy AI, and we're going to put it through its paces to see if it's worth your time in 2025. So let's get straight into it. Teachy AI positions itself as an all-in-one AI assistant for teachers, promising to save you precious time on lesson planning, assessment creation, and more. The moment you land on their website, the message is clear. This tool is built to handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus more on your students and less on administrative tasks. The core offering revolves around generating educational content. You can create full lesson plans, complete with objectives, activities, and resources, just by providing a topic. It generates unique worksheets, quizzes, and tests, tailored to your specified grade level and difficulty. Teachy AI promises to deliver that in seconds. One of the standout features they highlight is the AI assistant, which acts as a real-time collaborator. You can ask it to explain concepts, differentiate material for different learning levels, or even help you brainstorm creative project ideas for your classroom. It's designed to be your personal teaching partner, available whenever you need a fresh perspective or a starting point. The platform also includes a resource library where you can save and organize all your generated materials, making it easy to find and reuse content for future classes. They emphasize customization and edit any AI-generated content. Now, let's talk about the positives. The biggest advantage is undoubtedly the massive time-saving potential. Automating the creation of lesson plans and assessments could free up hours every week for any educator. The ability to quickly differentiate instruction for various learners is another huge plus, making it easier to cater to a diverse classroom. The interface appears clean and user-friendly from the website visuals, suggesting a low learning curve to get started. For the negatives, the website itself doesn't mention specific pricing on the main page, which often means you'll need to sign up to see the full cost structure. This can sometimes be a red flag for hidden fees or expensive subscriptions. While the website promises high-quality, unique content, the real test would be in the details. The accuracy of the information, the appropriateness of the generated questions, and the ability to handle complex, nuanced topics. You can get unlimited credits for $8 per month. There's also the potential for a lack of that personal human touch that is so crucial in education if the content is used without significant teacher input and editing. In conclusion, Teachy AI presents a compelling suite of tools aimed directly at reducing teacher workload. The promise of on-demand lesson plans, assessments, and a dedicated AI assistant is incredibly attractive for the modern educator. However, its true value would depend on the affordability and, most importantly, the real-world reliability and depth of its AI-generated content. It seems like a tool with fantastic potential that could be a game changer for many. Goodbye, everyone. See you next video.